So, we are finally on the Disney cruise, and let me just say, first of all, Priscila's dad gave me a Rolex to wear for the entire ship. I'm just gonna start off with this story. So, we get ready to go take pictures, and they kick people out of the line for us. I have never felt like such a douche. Never felt more like a douche in my entire life. We're Concierge. I have like a Rolex on. They're kicking people out of line for us. Like, what is this?
But we eat at Animator's Palette tomorrow.
Oh, that'll be exciting. So right now we're just kind of waiting on our food. I got like a smoked salmon slices with a roast beef tenderloin also.
I got the tenderloin and molten lava pie.
Oh yeah, let me not forget, I got cookies and cream cheesecake. So I'm really excited about that.
It was so cool because literally it felt like a whirlwind. Like I felt like we were being immersed. Like we didn't stop. Everything was so quick. They didn't ask for our port arrival form. They didn't ask for anything. It was literally like, oh hi, how are you? Here's your keys. Boom, put it on your neck. Okay,
it all
and
happened
they're gonna
in a second.
escort you. It was so fast. We skipped a sea of people. My parents got here at the same time and they're still waiting to board. They haven't been called up to board yet. Like literally, it was crazy.
What's this? Oh, that's the smoked salmon. Yeah, I'm excited. So we're back. I definitely had to eat all of that salmon because it was just delicious. We're gonna enjoy this food so we're not on the camera this entire time, and then we're gonna go up to the room, so that's gonna be the next thing that you guys see. So see you in a little bit. We're back.
Are they magnetic too?
Yeah, can you use
I'm
your
gonna
card?
Okay. Oh,
Just push hard.
there we go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So you know, I put your suit and the dress
Oh,
in the drawer.
thank you.
This drawer.
Like we did the most.
Ruined the fancy.
Alright, so we cheated and we looked at our room first.
And we have 15 bathrooms.
But we're gonna give you guys the room
We're
tour.
gonna show you bathroom number 1.
Yeah.
So I could figure out how to
let's go
turn
to
on the
this
light.
first
I
one.
did.
This
Whoa.
is the first bathroom. Nice little-
Great, because then that
There
means
you
we
go.
could both take a
Nice
poop
little
or
walk-in shower. Yeah.
But I mean, we'd shower together, so still.
Alright, and then this is a closet.
This is like storage.
Let's see.
This is a secondary.
Oh, this is
closet.
like a nice down pillow. I didn't even know that.
I told you we
I
need
want
to
that
pick
pillow.
pillows. We
Yeah.
need to pick pillows.
There's a pillow menu for this room.
Walk-in closet with
Yep.
a robe and slippers.
We're gonna get to the room in a sec.
This is like a mini desk. Look at our wine bottle, our
Oh
wine
wow,
glasses.
I didn't even see that before.
We have
Nice.
towels.
Hand towels.
That's very convenient. Our seating area. Wait. And we even got a gift.
Oh yeah, they had like a
From
little
them.
gift on. Well, actually, they gave us a few different
fruit
gifts.
basket.
Here's all of our reservation stuff right here. So this is our invitation to Apollo. We have actually a brunch and we have dinner, all in the wedding day. So we'll be eating good.
We have a
Yeah.
fridge that they decided to load with water because I love
Evian though. Let's take
Let's
this-
appreciate this. A moment of
Evian water.
silence. A moment of silence.
Let's just get to the good stuff. So, I mean, I'm gonna save that for last. So this is our bed.
Oh wait, I'm gonna turn.
Very comfortable. I'm gonna get to that in a sec. We actually have not opened this yet. This is, as you can see, a wedding gift. So we're gonna kind of open that for the first time with you guys. This made me so happy.
Holy cow.
I have never been so happy in my life to have one of these in my bathroom. Never had one in my
We have a
bathroom.
TV in the mirror.
Amazing lighting. A
There's
scale just to see how fat you get.
There's a
right?
television in the mirror.
Oh wow, really?
It goes right here. Look, you see it?
Oh
Kinda.
wow, that's awesome.
I'm just not gonna turn it on because the cruise thing is
Yeah,
on.
I don't need that.
Another bathroom
Another bathroom
and another.
for all the shits that we're gonna have to take.
all the shits from all the food that we're eating, and then another shower.
Yeah, it's perfect. This bathroom is heaven right now.
Watch Mickey cartoons and take
From the bathroom. Yeah, this is great. We have our Priscila Pinero Have a Magical Cruise wedding gift quantity 1. I have no idea what this could possibly be, honestly. I really don't. So let's open it.
No.
Wow.
Oh, I could put dirty clothes in here. This is awesome.
Is that a pillow? It's a pillow.
I think so.
Yeah.
Our happily ever after.
Our
And this, I
happily
think,
ever
is a
after.
towel, a beach towel.
Yeah. That's
Very
cool.
cute.
It's a nice beach towel.
This is a nice beach
And a
towel.
nice tote bag. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff left to check out. Also, forgot to show you what?
I'll find
I
it.
don't know. Also forgot to show you the balcony. Retarded. Anyway, it'll be nice once we're on the water.
Yeah, but
Hello, Priscila.
I know. I thought he was on the dream. So he was on the dream when we did.
This is the Concierge Lounge. Free coffee, free mimosas, a bunch of free snacks, and I'm a barista.
David from Trinity.
Well, right now we're just kind of waiting on them. We have like a little appointment, I guess. Yeah. So everyone just came into the room. Say what's up. We got Edwin. Hey.
That's the GoPro?
This is the GoPro. Yeah. I mean, it's not in the stick, so I'm just like hearing it. See?
It looks like an alien technology. Like
I know.
Scanned.
It's so small. I know.
But when everybody has to wait on the outside with
Given the
the
room
safety
tour.
drill, we get to wait in the AC right there, and they're like, okay, guys, we get seats and everything.
All right, finish the room tour. Let's go. Come on.
Because Jake and I were like, we have to.
Yeah, we showed Sam and Jake already,
No, you don't have
so
to bring your vest. Don't bring them.
Thank you.
yeah.
Oh my god, you guys have
What's up, Mike?
What's going on? We out here?
Thank you. Nikki. Where is Sean?
totally just almost like fell over.
Alright, whatever.
We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, to give recognition attention to the worth and beauty of love, and to add our best wishes to the words, we shall publicly announce the marriage of Priscilla and Joe. I would ask that you both remember to treat yourself and each other with respect, and remind yourself often of what brought you together today. Give the highest priority to the tenderness, gentleness, and kindness that your marriage deserves. When frustration and difficulty assail your marriage, as they do to every relationship at one time or another, I now ask you to repeat the vows, starting with you, Joe. Joe, do you take Priscilla to be your wife? Say, I do.
I do.
Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, forsaking all others and holding only on to her forevermore?
I do.
Priscilla, I'm going to ask you the same questions, and you say, I do. Priscilla, do you take Joe to be your husband? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him, forsaking all others and holding only on to him forevermore? Do you have the rings? I'm going to ask Joe to place the ring on your wedding finger and repeat after me. I, Joe Burrell,
Joe Burrell.
take thee, Priscilla Piano,
Me, Priscilla Pinheiro.
to be my wife,
To be my wife.
to have and to hold,
To have and to hold.
in sickness and in health,
In sickness and in health.
for richer or for poorer,
For richer, for poor.
in joy and sorrow,
In joy and sorrow.
and I promise my love to you.
And I promise my love to you.
I'm going to ask you, Priscilla, to take the ring and take his wedding finger, and
Long one.
I'm going to ask you to repeat after me. I, Priscilla Pinheiro,
I just love you.
take thee, Joe Burrell, to be my husband, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, in joy and sorrow, and I promise my love to you. I now formally announce that you are husband and wife, and you may kiss your bride. Welcome to the first-time husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Burrell.
What's the next thing?
Yeah!